In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement Figma animations in React, Next.js, or mobile with Claude Code. We'll start inside Figma. Open the file that contains your animation, then select the specific frame or component you want to export. Use the export panel and choose a format that matches your needs. SVG for vector paths, JSON for structured data, or Lottie if it's available in your setup. Save the file locally so it's easy to reference in your project. If you have the option, Lottie JSON is usually the smoothest path for web and mobile because it preserves timing, easing, and layers in a single portable file. Next, launch Claude Code. Once it's open, you'll give it a clear prompt. Tell Claude to act as a senior front-end developer. Let it know you have a Figma animation exported as SVG, JSON, or Lottie, and specify your target platform, React, Next.js, React Native, or Flutter. Ask it to add any necessary libraries, write fully working code that reproduces the animation, and explain every integration step. The more precise you are about your framework and folder structure, the better Claude can tailor the output. Claude will generate implementation code, often using React Lottie or Lottie React for web projects, and it will scaffold an animation component and basic styling. A common pattern is importing a Lottie component along with your animation JSON, then returning a container that centers the animation and controls its loop behavior. This gives you a clean, reusable component that you can drop into any page or screen. Before running anything, install the required packages. For web, that usually means installing Lottie React with your package manager. Once installed, integrate the generated component into your project by importing it and placing it in your layout or a specific section, like a hero area. Adjust width, height, and container styles to match your design specs, and verify that your asset path points to the exported JSON. Now test and refine. Start your dev server, preview the animation, and compare it to Figma. If timing, easing, or color feels off, ask Claude for targeted tweaks, like setting the duration to 3 seconds or adding a smooth fade in so the motion aligns with your brand. If you want interactions, you can have Claude wire up triggers, click to play, scroll to start, or hover to animate are all